We are dbrand. Since 2011, over 3 million customers have trusted us to deliver the highest quality, most precise skins on Earth. Our world-class products have built us an army of dbrand fanatics who've asked us 2 questions. Which skin has the most grip? And what happens if I drop it? We've spent the last 2 years developing a product to answer those questions. This is the dbrand Grip. With the dbrand Grip, you'll never drop your phone again. We've engineered grip right into the design. But this is real life, and shit happens. That's why we made the grip with D3O, the most advanced shock-absorbing technology on the planet. The US military uses it in their helmets. We put it inside the world's first carbon composite frame. What's more, you can customize the grip with any of our signature dbrand skins. This is the next evolution of device protection. This is the dbrand Grip.